Confident is not something which you are born with, but confident is something which clarity give you. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Self Mastery Show. This is the only show where we don't only chase for perfections, but we create habits. We don't wait for motivations, it's create momentum. I'm your host Anupriya, and today I'm going to say one of the most phenomenal topic, and that is you don't need confidence, you need clarity. Most of us, just imagine whenever you are on stage or whenever you are speaking in front of people, and you just confuse what to say next, right? It's happened with most of us, and we have no idea like what to have to say next to that particular person or that particular instant of time. So how you are dealing with that particular situations, like whether you are stop thinking about it, or like whether you stop talking about that particular situation or particular things, or like whether you have added by your own, how you are going to deal that situations in your life. Normally, like people are thrive to get confident. They used to find on like somewhere on a YouTube or like social media that how I should get confident. But the thing is that you will get confident when you have clarity and deep understanding about what the actually thing you are talking about. If you have the deep knowledge and understanding about what you are actually talking about, you will never ever get any kind of problems in your life. So basically it's happened with many people, like if any girl is going to give her interview, so mostly like people are used to think that probably I am good in this, good in that, but necessarily it's very important that you have to prepare before you going to give examinations, and if you will not do it, then there is a very high chance to get rejections on that part. In reality, confidence comes from preparations, not from personality. A girl who are going to give the interviews and she has feel confident from inside, right? Not just because of she's bold, it is because she's prepared so hard for her interview, so that she's feeling so enthusiastic from inside and ready for the preparations and ready to give the interview in front of anyone. Right? That's there this confidence is coming. For example, a man are very good speaking at the meeting, right? How this can be possible? It's just because of he has a very clear understanding about the agenda, right? And he know what to talk, when to talk, and how to talk on that particular thing, because he understands the things. He actually have the clarity about that particular matter which is going on. If I talked with the students also, then the toppers and the normal student or the average student, how this makes difference. The topper who actually know what is the syllabus and what I have to study today and what I have to study tomorrow, right? He actually understands the things like what is actually my part. Right, and that's where it's make the difference between the average and the topper. So these are some of the things which you have to understand that, and stop finding that how to get confident in my life, or how to do this, or how to get that from your social media or many more places, because it's not coming you until unless we're not clear in your mind that this is some of the things I want to develop for myself. You need clarity everywhere so that you are able to execute it in a better way and correct directions. You know why some people don't quit what is he or she planned in her life? You know why they do this? It's just because they don't have that much confidence. It's just because they're so clear with their own vision. They're so clear, they truly understand and have the clarity what they actually want to do in their life. That's where the system works. If you don't have clarity, you can't feel the confident. If you have clarity about something, then definitely the confidence will follow you. So dear boys and girls, whoever is watching this video, it's really important to be very clear in your visions, in that things which you are doing, because at every step you have to be very clear, otherwise you are going to do so many mistakes in your life. The day you will understand that clarity is something which is very important, rather than be feel confident, then everything around you changes and you can able to speak with other people with so confident, right? Start using these techniques and also share with your friends, family, and those who feel, who truly need it and want to improve in their life. So basically this is going to help them and help them to understand that why there is need to clear your mind, so that you can come up with so confident personality. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will come again with one more episode that's definitely going to give you more knowledge. Till then, stay updated, stay grounded. Thank you so much.